In this video, you'll learn how to get your EPP code in GoDaddy so you can transfer your domain to another registrar smoothly and without confusion. The EPP code, sometimes called an authorization code or transfer key, is basically a password for moving your domain from one provider to another. I'll walk you through each step clearly, and you can follow along in your own account as we go. First, log into your GoDaddy account and head to your domain portfolio. This is the main area where all your domains are listed. If you have multiple domains, you'll see them all here in a table or list format. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place and that you're signed into the correct account that owns the domain you want to transfer. Next, you'll need to select the specific domain you plan to move. Find that domain in your list and click directly on its name. This will open up the domain details page. Here you'll see various settings related to DNS, contact information, and most importantly for us, transfer options. Now it's time to initiate the transfer process. Look for the section labeled transfer or something very similar on the domain details page. Within that area, choose the option that says transfer to another registrar. This tells GoDaddy that you're planning to move the domain out to a different provider, and it will start guiding you through the steps needed to do that, including getting your EPP code. At this point, GoDaddy will automatically check whether your domain is eligible for transfer. If your domain was registered very recently, or if it was transferred or had certain details changed within the last 60 days, it may be locked by policy and not yet allowed to move. In that case, GoDaddy will show a clear warning message right on the screen. If you see that warning, you won't be able to complete the transfer or get a usable EPP code until that waiting period is over. It's a standard protection across many registrars, not something unique to GoDaddy. If your domain is eligible, you'll be shown a transfer checklist. Take a moment to read through this carefully. The checklist usually reminds you of important points like making sure your domain is unlocked, confirming your contact information, and understanding how the transfer process works at a basic level. When you're ready, click Continue with Transfer. As soon as you do this, GoDaddy will automatically turn off domain privacy for that domain. That's important because the new registrar needs to verify your contact information, typically via email, and privacy protection can hide those details. Once privacy is disabled, your public contact information can be used to confirm that you're the rightful owner requesting the transfer. After you've confirmed the checklist and moved forward, GoDaddy will display or send your EPP code depending on its current interface. Keep that code secure and then use it in your new registrar's transfer form to complete the move.